What is the concentration of sulfuric acid H2SO4 if 50 milliliters of it is neutralized by 10 milliliters of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide? So we have 2-to-1 base to acid stoichiometry here, where we need a 2 to account for the 2 here. When that's true, we use this equation right here. Okay. So, let's see. We're looking for the concentration of the sulfuric acid, which is MA. So, MB, 0.1 molar, VB, 10 milliliters, over 2 times the volume of the acid is 50 milliliters. Okay. When we do that, we get 0.01 molar, which is answer choice B.